how to buy flip this into a house token. So this token came under the symbol of paperclip. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before go around by this token, go and check their X account and keep following their community on X, and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, they have 256 members there. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 6 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, this token trending number 2 in this Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that. Now after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is also going to click on it and click on I understand. So here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to redirect you to distributor provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy paperclip token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.